So today we will show you how to download and install any app you need to your iPhone. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and liking this video. We make daily guides and how-to videos on everything tech related. So back to our downloading topic. First thing you have to do is to open your App Store, which is pre-installed on all original iPhones. We tap on to open it, and now in the bottom right corner you will find the search icon, which we have to tap on just like so. And now in the search bar at the top of your screen, you want to type in whatever app you want to download, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, or pretty much any app you can imagine. So I'm gonna try and download Facebook to my iPhone. So we search for Facebook, and after we find it, which is usually right away, we have to tap on the Get button. After that, Apple will ask you to confirm your iPhone ownership with the password from your Apple ID, which you registered after buying your iPhone. If you have Face ID enabled, be prepared to use your face instead. After the confirmation, the app will start downloading, and soon after, you will be able to use it as you want. Thank you for watching, and consider to like this video.